Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and this time I'll be showing you how to block international calls. Okay, so it's real simple to do, just follow my steps. So open the dialer, select the three little pins here in the top right hand corner, select settings, and then scroll down to where it says supplementary services, select it, and then select call barring. Just wait for it to load up. Okay, and then select international calls. And then here you'll need to enter a call barring password. So you can just create a password. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now all international calls have been blocked. And then if you want to turn it off later, just select it and enter the same password, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then hit OK. And you don't have to use the same password all the time. So let me just demonstrate. So now if I want to block international calls again, I can just type in another password. And as you can see, it works. So you don't have to use the same password all the time. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the video, guys. I thought I'd share that with you all, how to block international calls on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Hope this video helped you out. If it did be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one, guys. Deuces.